and welcome back to my channel. My name is Minnie and today we will discuss about set theory. Alright, so let's get started. So what is set? A set is a collection of well-defined objects thought of as a whole. Set is nothing but collection of objects. Object here means elements. That object can be anything like numbers, alphabets. So the collection of such elements makes a set. Alright? Let's say a team of football players. It means a set contains players or team of players who plays football. Now let's see another example. A set containing vowels of English alphabets. A equals A, E, I, O, U. Now capital letter A represents a set. Okay. And the elements of a set is represented with small letters. So we represent a set with capital letters and we represent elements with small letters. Now let's see notations for a set. This is called union, U-shaped. It is in U-shaped. This is called intersection, inverted U. This is called subset. This is called null set, curly brackets with no elements in it. And this is called universal set. So all these are called notations for a set. So if you get question regarding what is set, do write down its meaning and notations for a set. Okay. Now moving on to next, types of set. So our first set is finite and infinite set. So what is finite set? A set is said to be finite when its elements are small, which means that we can easily calculate it. Whereas if the elements are very large and infinite, then this set is known as infinite set. Now let's see with the help of an example. First, finite set. Capital letter A denotes a set which contains students in my class, that a number of students in my class are the elements or the members of set A. In set B, citizens of India, A by A, citizens of India, this denotes that the citizens of India is a finite set and it is a member or elements of set B. Now infinite set. Set A contains natural numbers, all natural numbers, and set B contains stars in the sky. Here elements are large in number, that's why we call it infinite. Now moving on to next, null set. So what is null set? A set containing no element is called null, empty or void set. Okay. And null set is denoted by this. We denote null set by this. Now let's see its example. A equals curly bracket. There is no element in it and then curly bracket close. If it is given like this, then we call it as null set, set containing no elements. Next, singleton set. A set containing only one element is called singleton set. Be it any number or an alphabet, it is considered under singleton set, such as A equals curly bracket, small letter A, curly bracket close. It shows singleton set. And if the element is 0 in number, then also we consider it as singleton set. Look here, A equals 0. This is also called singleton set. Next, universal set. Set containing all elements and of which all other sets are subsets. We denote universal set by this sign. Universal set contains all elements and other set are just subset of universal set. Okay. Now let's see with the help of an example. Sign of universal set. Here 1 to 10 contains all elements, which is called universal set. and A is just a subset of universal set because it contains some elements from the universal set, same as B and C. Now moving on to next, equal set. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements and the order of element does not matter in this equal set. Let's see with the help of an example. A equals 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equals 4, 3, 2, 1. Here the elements of A set and B set are equal, but only the order is different, but it does not matter in equal set. If the elements are same in both sets, then the set is known as equal set. Another example, A equals A, B, C, D, E and B equals E, D, C, B, A. Here both sets are having same elements, thus it is known as equal set. Next is pair set. A set is said to be pair set if it contains only two elements. If a set contains two elements, then it is known as pair set. A equals AB or B equals 5, 6 or any number or any alphabet, a set should contain only two elements. Then only it will be considered as pair set. And also it can be same element as well, such as A equals XX. This set is also a pair set. Okay. Now moving on to next, subset. If A and B are two sets such that all elements of set A are also in set B, then set A is called the subset of B. For example, A equals 3, 5, 7 and B equals 3, 5, 7. Here set A elements are also present in set B. So now we can say that A is subset of B. Let's see another example. A equals 2, 4, 3 and B equals 3, 4, 2. Here the elements of set A is also there in set B, but the order is different. It doesn't matter here. So if the element of set A is present in set B, then we can say that A is subset of B, which is here. Alright, moving on to next. Proper subset. Set A is said to be proper subset of B if there exists at least one element in B that is not in A. Okay? Like A equals 1, 2, 3 and B equals 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here we can see that A's element is present in set B, but set B contains two extra elements which is not in set A. So we can say that A is proper subset of B. In subset, both sets are having same elements, same number of elements, but in proper subset, there must be at least one extra element in set B which is not there in set A to be considered as proper subset. Just like here, A equals 1, 2, 3 and B equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 4, 5 is the extra element in set B which is not there in set A. That's why we considered A is proper subset of B. Now let's see another example. A equals set of Biharis. Okay, and B equals set of Indians. Now here set of Biharis is present in set of Indians, but set B contains extra elements because in India we have Bengalis, Marathis, Punjabis, Muslim and so on. But in set A contains only set of Biharis, but in set B it contains varieties of Indians. Therefore it contains extra elements, so we can say that A is proper subset of B. Next, family set. If elements of a set are itself a set, then the set is called family of sets. Alright? For example, A equals set of 1, set of 2 and set of 1 and 2, which means that A set contains a set of sets that is 1, 2 and 1, 2. See here, a set that is set A contains a set of 1, 2, which can also be rewritten as set of 1 as individual, 2 and both 1, 2. So this is known as family set. Disjoint set. Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint sets or mutually exclusive sets if there is no common element, which means that A intersection B is null. Simply means that neither A nor B set are having common elements. Okay? Like A equals set of A, B, C, D and B equals set of G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay? Here both sets are having no elements in common, which means that A intersection B is null. There are no common elements neither in A set nor in B. We can say that this set is a disjoint set. Now moving on to next, superset. If A is the subset of B, then set B is called superset of A. A equals set of 5, 7, 9 and B equals set of 5, 7, 9, 10. Here set A is superset of B because set A's element is also present in set B. Therefore set B is superset of A. And the notation for superset is just inverse of subset. Okay? So that is it. I hope you have understood what is set and types of set. Thank you for watching.